Hey guys, today's day 5 in the morning and it's Ketchikan day. Ketchikan day. So right now we're going to the sauna. We realized that there's actually a sauna here. So I'll give you guys a tour of the sauna if no one's inside. And yeah, see you guys soon. So we're currently on 4th. To get to the sauna, it's by the salon, I think. Spa and salon on floor 9.
Yeah.
So hop on floor 9 and then we'll show you around. Okay, so this is the spa. But you take a left. That's how you get to the sauna. So this one's the women's. Okay, see you. And then this one's the men's. I'm gonna be a bit quiet because I want more low key.
Hello everyone, this is what the female sauna looks like. It's the same for the men's, but around there's like 10 people in the men's right now and no one in the ladies. So it's nice, you have a nice open shower, 2 heads, so if you want to pull it down your body or you want just to pull it right down yourself, very nice. And then if you want to cool off, there's even a bucket splash shower and there's a chain here, so when you're ready you just tip it. Ooh. Nice towels to use, and even an enclosed shower, so if you really want to clean deeply. And if we open it up, ooh, we have some nice seats and also a headrest, some light therapy, again some water splash around if you like. And again, it's kind of similar on the other side, light therapy. Right now we are docked in Ketchikan, so this is the view, but when you're on the water, it can be really nice. Yeah, can't remember if I said there's water to splash around. There's also a cycle that you can, I guess, change, and then emergency, and you can even read how hot the temperature is. So right now it's just like under 60 degrees because I think the cycle ended. So yeah, I mean, that's a sauna, but it's kind of crazy that no one uses this. Push out.
Okay, we're heading off to lunch at the Lido Market.
Yes.
Right before we head out for our walking tour around Ketchikan, Alaska.
Well, fish and chips, chicken, broccoli, and fresh mac and cheese. Like they literally just took it out. First scoop.
Nice. I'm gonna go do a little tour. Could I get some of the porchetta? Yes, please. Could you give me a bit of the guacamole? It's okay. Thank you. Yes, it's great. That'll be nice. A barbecue sauce? Thank you. The Mai Tai.
Could I get a Coke Zero, please?
Okay, round 2. Got fish, salmon, tri-tip, chicken, stir fry. Dessert is served. We got chocolate ice cream. Ew. And black forest cake in a jar. This is the ship that we are on. But we left the ship because we're gonna explore the town.
Yeah.
First impressions? I don't know.
It looks
Seems like
very similar to all the other towns, to be honest. From the photos, this town was supposed to be a lot more colorful, but maybe it's just the weather. It is raining. It's not that cold, but it's just like the wind and the rain. A lot of people are actually coming back onto the ship. It's around 2 o'clock. We came around 11. Yeah, big start of the day a bit late. That's okay. We're here until 7, so it should be plenty of time.
Okay, we just visited the visitor centers and we got their walking map. So off we go. Well, we found out that there are 2 walking tours. There's the downtown walking tour and then there's another walking tour. We're gonna do the New West walking tour. We'll be doing the downtown walking tour first, and then we'll see how much of the New West one we can do after. The red one.
So we're currently here. We're currently here, and this is the New Town and New West tour. But I think this one is a lot more interesting. So we gotta walk down on the waterfront promenade to get to the downtown one, to the other visitor center.
Okay, Okay, first landmark is the Ketchikan Welcome to Alaska's First City sign. Check it out. Okay, on Baldwin Street and Mission, there is the oldest church in Ketchikan, Alaska, made of cedar. This is one of the chief's totem poles. It's very interesting because I've never seen one going up so tall without anything until the very top. Like half of it is just wood. Okay, you may be wondering what this sound is. Well, we are at a river, and this river is special because it's the Salmon Creek ladder. As you can see here, when salmon struggle to go up here, they use this ladder and they can actually climb up the shore a bit easier. So pretty cool. Okay, so in this Salmon Creek, right now is May, so you could potentially see king or Chinook salmon, chum, dog, pink in July, August, and July to September. At this house, I guess there's a little boy here, and he has a well, and it says, drop a coin, make a wish, you'll be happy a boy can fish.
In the city park, small ponds in the park go back to the early 1900s, or 1900s, when they were holding ponds for salmon in the city's first hatchery. The lighted fountain, originally built in the 1930s, was restored by volunteers in 1989.
From this fountain to the left, there's actually a hatchery entrance that we can visit.
Yeah.
So we will go check it out.
Yeah, we visited the back. There's 24-hour parking, but it looked kind of sketchy, so we opted not to go in. But if they're saying this is the entrance, then oh, we shall go in.
So this is up close to the hatchery. I don't think it's actually open today. Yeah, it's closed to the public, so just be wary about that. It might not always be open when you're here. This is one of the Ketchikan museums. It's
The Totem Heritage Center.
yes, about totem poles.
Yes.
Cost is $6 USD per person.
Free downtown shuttle. Oh. Why, thank you. Free shuttle.
Ah, it's like the Vancouver one.
Is it free shuttle?
Vancouver bus.
Yes.
Okay, we just got off the bus and we're at the same place.
Yeah, we just took like a full circle, so it's okay. We're going to finish off our downtown historical walking tour, and we also determined that the Newtown and West End walking tour didn't seem to be as worth it. It's just like farther distances and not as many things to see. And we could basically see it on the bus. So
it's a bus stopping. School bus stopping. So this is the Sun Raven totem pole. I think it's a bit creepy because of all the eyes. It's also right next to the University of Alaska Ketchikan campus. We saw a few other universities of Alaska's in Juneau and Skagway. And the pigeons.
Oh. Baby, how could you? Careful. These look basically the same as the kinds of drawing. These ones look the same.
These are some of the
these are some of the
businesses.
Historic properties on Stedman and Thomas Streets, such as Union Machine Shop and Potlatch Bar. Yeah, and they're still alive today, so that's kind of cool. And I guess you can read about each one on the building.
This is the Stedman Street Bridge. During salmon season, thousands of salmons will start from here and run up there to spawn.
Anglers fish from the wide sidewalk on the seaward side. Cross carefully at the crosswalk.
Okay, so this is Creek Street. In the 1900s, this was the red light district.
Yes. But the cool thing is that female entrepreneurs could basically do their own thing. So that's nice.
First souvenir in Ketchikan, Alaska. Just the pink salmon and the chum salmon.
Yes.
Or kita.
Yeah, kita canned salmon.
Yeah.
They were having a BOGO deal. So we thought, oh, why not? And like they also had free samples so we could try it first. And we tried the pink one. It was quite delicious. Even like for me who I don't really enjoy salmon that much, but it's really good, really fresh. And they're really nice.
Okay, this is the Ketchikan Daily News Pioneer Printing business.
The lone survivor of more than a dozen papers published here since 1900, the Daily News was founded in 1935 and remains family owned. This long wooden stairway leads to great views of downtown and the boat harbor.
Burkhardt Delbrell House. And this is how high we had to climb.
Burkhardt Delbrell House. This turreted Victorian was built in 1904 for H.Z. Burkhardt, a founder of Ketchikan Power Co., predecessor of Ketchikan Spruce Mill. It's among our last examples of the Queen Anne style of the early 1900s, listed on the National Register of Historic Places in 1982. Knob Hill Overlook.
Okay, on Cedar and Front we get to the Knob Hill Overlook. We climbed quite a bit of distance. That's our boat. And this is the overlook, guys.
So this walkway offers a tremendous view of Newtown and First Lutheran Church and passes Knob Hill homes dating as early as 1901.
Front Street Stairway. So it's actually one of the landmarks, and it's 117 steps built in 1902.
And it connects to like the downtown
to Knob Hill, where we were just at.
Yeah, so
all right, let's go.
Walk down.
Okay, this is the tunnel that is just on the stairway. And what's interesting about this tunnel is people can go through it, under it, on top of it, everything. And we have to cross through that crosswalk, so we have to be a bit careful. It seems a little bit busy. Ah, shit, we're gonna die. We're gonna die. So we're sitting down and Kayla just got us some delicious hot dogs and fries, loaded fries.
Well, it just has the cheese sauce from what it looks like. It's supposed to be the dive-in sauce, but it looks like cheese. You can also get like ketchup, mustard, and mayo on the side, but I just got ketchup.
Okay, let's enjoy. Okay, we just got back from Ketchikan and we also did some wildlife viewings. Guess what we saw? Saw the porpoise whales?
Yeah, apparently porpoises. They look very similar to dolphins, but like holy crap, they're fast. So it's like we saw them and didn't see them at the same time. We just kind of saw like a little wave in the water, but apparently those were porpoises.
They're faster than the cruise itself. Very hard to spot, but we saw them.
Yeah. So now we're just going off to our dining room dinner.
You may have noticed we're wearing a specific color. This color represents life. No, it's actually for a orange party that they have.
Yeah. Oh, we can walk now.
Okay.
Oh, different this guy.
This is the first one. This is the shrimp cocktail. It has a boiled egg and just shrimp. Kayla's dish. It's the croquette. It's the steak tartare. Okay, so today's Dutch night, but they have banh mi goreng,
Which is Indonesian.
This is the size of a Dutch cream cake. It's the size of my
one
hand.
actually from the.
So that wraps up our day 6 adventure, which means that tomorrow is our last day on the cruise. Please like and subscribe.